A very good afternoon to respected Principal Ma'am, our coordinators Twinkle Miss and Preeti Miss, my dear colleagues and my beloved students. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the Academic Excellence Awards ceremony. I am truly privileged to be a part of this ceremony organized to honor and felicitate our students who did the star turn and made us proud with their stellar performances in ICSE 2020. My dear students, you have indeed brought honors to your school, and we feel happy inordinately to have played a role, albeit tiny, in your success stories. Your journey in Universal High had been eventful. The memories are treasures for us too. The classes, the events, the field trips, the exams, and the frayed nerves on the big day. We remember it all, and we are happy to have matched steps with all of you. Success never eludes the true hard worker, and all of you have proved it again, adding to the colorful feathers of success to the cap of your school. And now, today, we applaud you, congratulate you, honor you on your achievement. Even though this is across the digital platform, the love and warmth sure permeates to all of you. Now, before I become too emotional and get carried away, let us begin with the proceedings of the day. Now, the certificates displayed in course of the event will be emailed individually to all of you. I'm so honored to begin with the felicitation program. First, I would like to call upon Harshita Mirashi. She has scored a very commendable 97.2% in her board examinations with a centums in history, computers, and English literature. Hardworking Harshita is how I would like to address her. A sweetest of her smile, ready with completed assignments always. We are so proud of you, Harshita. Next, we have Vrund Shah with us. Vrund has scored 96.6% in his examinations with a centum in history. Vrund has been the most decent ever seen. A very diligent student, Vrund. May success chase you around in everything that you do in your life. Congratulations, Vrund. After Vrund, I have Sudhanshu Rawat. Sudhanshu has scored 96.2% with a centum in history. Sudhanshu has been a boy with a way with his words. He is observant, he is a delight to have in the class. And Sudhanshu had also never had much of a patience for the tomfoolery in the class. Sudhanshu, we are proud of your performance and also proud to have you with us in our ICSE section. Congratulations, Sudhanshu. After Sudhanshu, it is the turn of Dhruv Mistry. Dhruv Mistry, an aggregate of 95.6% and a centum, hold your breath, again in history. With a twinkle in his eyes and harmless mischief in mind, Dhruv always ensured that the class proceedings never became too tedious or boring, even if it was the very last period of the day. Congratulations, Dhruv. Then I would like to call upon Kesha Zala, a very keen learner with a 95.6% in her ICSE examination and, much to my delight, a centum in English literature. Kesha, as our own classroom, remained lively all the time. And Udit is also with us in ISC. Udit, we really look forward to you making the as lively as ever. Congratulations, Udit. After Udit, we have Tanishtha Mewara. Tanishtha Mewara has scored 94.8% with a centum in history. Tanishtha is a budding poet. She has always left us, the teachers, in the staff room impressed with her verses. She regaled me with a thriller series in class 10, all the examinations. She started off with a story in FA1 and brought it to a conclusion like a series in the Prelim 2 examinations. Congratulations, Tanishtha, and I do hope that you continue with this creative writing talent, the gift that you have. Next, it is Sakshi Nayak, 94.8%. Sakshi would speak little in class, but then she has definitely allowed the mark sheet to speak volumes for her talent, her capability, and everything. Sakshi had also been very, very athletic. Congratulations, Sakshi. After Sakshi, it is Sonia Gangan. Sonia is an example of what hard work and a good company of helpful friends can do for you in life. Sonia has shown improvement in her school tenure like no other. Congratulations, Sonia, and we are very proud of you on your score of 94.4%. All the best, Sonia. After Sonia, I have a very, very dear girl, and she is Astha Amin, 94.2%. Astha had been quite the philosopher who can create magic with her verses. The depth in her poetry leaves even us, the adults, speechless. Congratulations, Astha, on your performance, and I hope that you achieve everything that you have dreamt of. Proud of you. Next comes Anirudh Pathak. 94.2 composition question in one of the examinations. And trust me, she turned it oh so successfully into a comic to delight to read. A very smart and an amazing young lady. Congratulations, Samara. I'm sure you are going to break the glass ceilings in many areas that you would be conquering. And now, I would like to request Samara only to share her experience as a student in Universal High with all of us. Samara, the virtual stage is all yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, let me start award winners. It's good to see all of us here together. I'm grade 11 humanities student. I chose to study humanity because I wanted to get into law. Under ISC, humanities has a total of 5 subjects that you can choose from. That is psychology, sociology, environmental studies, economics, and physical education. All these subjects are very interesting, and since these have own opinions and ideas about the topics, and have a lot of fun discussing and debating on them. The format of the syllabus for English language and English literature in ISC is very similar to how it was in ICSE, but the content itself is far more interesting. There are various topics in English language like personal profiles that are very practical. There are also fascinating prose and poems under English literature. The similarity between the syllabus in ICSE and ISC gives a sense of continuity and makes it easier for us to get accustomed to ISC. Furthermore, in these difficult times, online platform and managed to give each and every student the attention that they require. I hope to see all of you in ISC next year and all the best for your exams. Thank you.
Thank you, Samara, for those wonderful words. And it really, really makes us feel more motivated to do the extra bit for the students and go that extra.
Hongadu to share her experience of her school life and her journey to this remarkable achievement. Over to you, Shravani.
Good afternoon, everyone. First, myself, Shravani Hungadu. First of all, congratulations to all the achievers and wish you all the best. Firstly, I would like to thank all the teachers, coordinators, principal madam, and the entire support staff of the school who has helped and guided me throughout my school journey. I greatly appreciate the efforts taken by the school to help the students in their academics. The motivation sessions, competitions, various events, and TED Talks has always kept us encouraged. The teachers have been a source of knowledge and constant support. Without their guidance, I wouldn't have been able to achieve my goals. They stood by me through my ups and downs and always motivated me to never give up. I'm thankful to the school for always trusting and believing in me. I'm really grateful for being a part of the school which has played a remarkable role in my life, and I would definitely miss the good old days of being a student of Universal High. I give my best wishes to the school to succeed in future and rise higher. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shravani, for your wonderful words. I once again congratulate all my past 10th standard students and wish you all. I once again congratulate to all my past 10th standard students, and I wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. I hope my present 10th standard students, and we wish them to continue for the next 2 years in our school for ISC. Now, I request Pratatimis to take over from here.
Thank you, Dinesh sir. Full of energy. Our energy level is neither less in the class nor in the sports ground. Congratulations, Swarangi. You have scored 95.6%. You have the creativity and determination to do whatever you can dream. I hope you feel proud today and confident in your ability to rise to your next challenge. Next with us, we have a girl with a beautiful smile. Any guess? Yes, she is Tanisha Angeri. Polite, respectful, and what I loved most about her is her smile. Tanisha has scored 95.6%. Congratulations, Tanisha. Congrats for your achievement. May there be the smile on your face today and always. Next with us, we have Khushi Malankar. Self-motivated and of course a soft-spoken child. Khushi has bagged 95.4%. Congrats, Khushi. Keep believing in yourself and work hard. More achievements are yet to come. Next with us, we have Sanjana Pundi. Very well-mannered child with lots of untapped potential. Sanjana has scored 95.2% and a centum in history. Well done, Sanjana. May your future be filled with many more great achievements like this. Arya Surve, hardworking, disciplined, soft-spoken, and always ready to learn. She has scored 94.8% in the board examination. Congratulations on your well-deserved success, Arya. Next, with us, we have another soft-spoken, rather extremely soft-spoken girl. She is none other than Maitri Doshi, who is always ready to go the extra miles for learning. Maitri has scored 94.8% and a centum in commercial studies. Congratulations, Maitri, you did it. Next with us we have the ex-head boy of the school. He is none other than Arya Sohoni, always ready with a quip or a comment whenever something interesting was ever shared in the class. Arya has scored 94.6%. Arya, you made us so proud today. Keep on achieving good things, hearted boy. Meet has scored 93%. Congratulations, Meet. Next, we have the most helpful person in the class, a help to the teacher. She is none other than Sanya Mascarenhas, a very capable and efficient organizer who is always ready to help her teachers. Sanya has scored 93%. Warmest congratulations on your achievement, Sanya. Last but not the least, we have Somit Desai, who has scored 92.8%. Accomplishing great heights. Warmest congratulations on your achievement, Somit. Now, I would like to request Ria Ralgaonkar, one of our toppers, to share her experience, her journey as a student in Universal High. The virtual stage is all yours, Ria.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Riya Raul Gaukar. I feel really very happy to be a part of this ceremony. First of all, congratulations to all the achievers and best wishes for their future endeavors. The credit for my success goes to the Almighty, the respected principal ma'am, coordinators, all the teachers, my parents and the entire staff of Universal High School. All the primary and the secondary teachers always taught wholeheartedly. They would always ensure that all our concepts get cleared. Some subjects such as science was taught practically, which helped us to visualize things and not resort to mugging up. Even the various sessions organized by school proved to be beneficial for maintaining our focus and not deviating from our goal. I feel that by studying in this school, I not only got developed academically but was able to explore in the various extracurricular activities like dance, judo, music, yoga, etc. I started developing interest in these extracurricular activities which ensured overall growth. After all, I feel that being passionate, focused, dedicated and determined will surely help you to crack any exam even without any tuitions or classes. Now, I would like to give some tips which helped me to secure 98% and achieve first rank in our school. First of all, reading textbooks thoroughly and making class notes had actually helped me while doing self-study. Always focus on self-study which will be really beneficial for all of you. Try to reduce the use of mobile phones and minimize social media. And always have faith in yourself that you will be able to do it and you can do it. Heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers for always motivating, supporting, guiding, inspiring us to put our level best whenever we appeared for any of our exams. And yes, I am definitely going to miss my school. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to describe my journey. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria, for sharing your experience and, of course, motivating our upcoming batch students who are there with us today. We would love to see you all in ISC students. Allow us to be part of your success today once again. We love you and we would keep loving you for the more years to come. Now, I would request Jyoti Miss to take over. Thank you.
Assistant head boy of our school. So that speaks for itself. Well done, dear. The next person I would like to talk about is Saili Sukhi. Saili Sukhi, she's sweet, she's well-mannered, and we are full of hopes about her. She scores 91.2%, and it has been wonderful to have you in class. The next person I'm going to talk about is Aarti Pant. She is known as an artist among her friends. She scores 90.6%. She is quiet, however, she is somebody who is very sincere with her work, and she lets her results speak for her. We are very proud of you. We are very proud of your resilience. Hope to
Jyoti Miss, you need to unmute again.
the next person I'm going to speak about is Arshad Maderia. He is hardworking, and at the same time, he believes in taking pleasure in life. He is the soul of an outgoing group. It was a pleasure to have you in class. Next, we have to talk about is Yash Khatri, scoring 90.4%, a diligent and a quiet student. Hard work defines you. We're very proud of you. Keep up the good work. Very proud of you and hope to see you continue your studies with us in future. Next, we have Anubhav Khakar, who is the second topper of the class. He holds 97.6%. He holds sentence in history and computer application. He is known by his friends who is good in studies, but very helpful, considerate. And let me tell you, your friends are very proud of your camaraderie. The next, we are going to talk about our very own Gary Kasparov. Yes, you guessed it right, Rahat Matre. He is the second topper of the year, scoring 97.6%, scoring sentence in subjects of computer application, history, English literature, and Hindi. He is a child prodigy. He doesn't take it for granted. He is very hardworking and a thorough gentleman. I hope continue to see you again, Rahat. Next in line is Swara Sawant, the first topper. She holds 98%. In aggregate, she scores a sentence in history, geography, English literature, Hindi, biology, and home science. I wonder what made you miss the other subjects, Swara. You almost covered up the entire curriculum. Studious, though introvert, however, proving that she is a power to be reckoned with is something that we can say about her. Well done. We are so proud of you. The next I would like to talk about is Riya Ralgaonkar, the first topper, again, holding 98%. She is somebody who has sentence in computer application, geography, English literature, Hindi, and biology. Again, the same question that I asked Swara for you, Riya. However, I really enjoyed your speech. That really makes you quite mature for your age. Well done, Riya. Quiet, studious, and a blessing to her friends, family, and school is how I would like to conclude the talk about you, Riya. We are so proud of you.
Miss, unmute yourself, please.
Now, I would like to request Arya Sohni to share his thoughts and his journey about his class 10 examination, his experience as an ICSE student as he continues to be with us on his academic journey, being part of the school. Arya Sohni, the stage is all yours.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Arya Sohni, would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I would like to share my experience about ISC. Due to the pandemic, education came online and ISC was able to cope with the new method immediately. As soon as my 10th results were announced, ISC classes started online. The ISC syllabus is very interesting, especially the English subject. I would also say that the activities like speaking skills and elocution has made me more confident to speak in front of a crowd. The online classes and teachers make me understand everything properly. I am fortunate to have a career counselor in ISC who guides us about different universities in India and abroad. IST covers all topics required for entrance exams like NDA, JE, NEET, NA, etc. We are very fortunate to be in the same environment as ICSE, as it gives it a sense of continuity and comfort. The subjects that I have chosen are physics, chemistry, maths, computer science, while the English subjects are compulsory. Once again, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you and thank you.
Now, I would request the lady whom we all look up to speak a few words and motivate her children. Let's put our hands together to our principal, Hafiza. That the feelings did reach you, the blessings did reach you. Children, we come to an end of the ceremony. We hope to see all of you all of you all. Oh.
Jyoti Miss, please unmute one last time, I guess.
I will repeat myself. I said if one door has closed, one milestone has been achieved, the other is just opening for you. The life is full of possibilities. You have to venture to everything. Just be careful. Our prayers are with you. The teachers and the staff of Universal High thank each and every child for the warmth, love, the trust that they shared with us.
Jyoti Miss, are you done?
I'm so sorry. Somebody is muting. I don't know who it is.
Twinkle Miss, it is not Jyoti Miss who is doing. There's some technical problem. It's happening automatically.
Yes, ma'am. No worries, we are done with the
We
session.
are done. We are done.
Jyoti Miss can end.
So thank you all for all the shared experiences. We all will still hold a bit of you, even if you leave us, and pray that you will be blessed with all the health and happiness in this world. Thank you so much.
Yeah,